Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: keywords, for keyword, while keyword in Python. So first of all, what are keywords in Python? So keywords are special words or reserved words with predefined meaning and predefined usage in a program. So basically all keywords are in lowercase, so as, for keyword and while keyword. So these two keywords are used in loops. So coming to the first one, for loop. So it is a looping control structure. So it executes an indented block of code provided for each element in a collection. So the collection can be list, tuple, set, dictionary, or it can be an array or a string. So let us try to do this in a small program. So first write comments at the beginning of the program for keyword. So let us put comment for the remaining case. Right. So now coming to, I'm taking a list 1. So basically list is represented in square brackets, which is a collection of elements 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So for x in list, so one element from the list will be assigned to x, and then indented block of code is executed. So it will print x. So print 11, 22 is assigned to x, print 22, 33 is assigned to x, print 33, 44 is assigned to x, print 44, 55 is assigned to x, print 55. So when there are any no elements in the list, it will come out of the loop. So after coming out of the loop, we'll say print end of for loop. Right. Save the program. So come to the command prompt and then run Python keywords example 7. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So 5 times loop is executed. No element in the list, end of the for loop. So the next, coming to while keyword. So while is also used as a looping control structure. So here it executes an indented block of code provided with a condition, true or false. So true means execute the block of code, false means don't execute the block of code. And this indented block of code is executed 0 or more times. So let us try to do this while loop in a program. So get back to the program. So remove the comments. So I'm taking a empty line with print while keyword. So I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 10. So print 1, I equal to I plus 1, 2. So 2 less than or equal to 10, true. Print 2, 2 equal to I plus 1, 3. So 3, print 3, 4, I plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I value becomes 11, so 11 less than or equal to 10, false. It will come out of the loop, print end of while loop. Right, save the program, come to the command prompt and run it. So 1 to 10, and then 11 less than or equal to 10, false, end of the while loop. So this is how we are supposed to work with for keyword and while keyword in Python programming. So both the keywords are used as looping control structures. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.